guys, it's Dahlia. So today I'm teaching you how to make these amazing chocolate chip walnut cookie sticks. Plus, they are perfect for Passover and they're gluten-free and vegan. These chocolate chip walnut cookie sticks are seriously going to change your view on Passover baking. Not only are they extremely delicious, there's no reason to go and buy tons of baked goods from the store because these are 10 times better. Plus, they're super healthy and they don't even taste healthy. We're using coconut oil, dates, don't be scared, it's really, really good. Almond flour, chocolate chips, all pretty good ingredients that are actually good for your body because I find many Passover recipes are just packed with tons of oil and margarine, and it's just not the best situation. So I am so excited to share this recipe with you guys today. And you could get the recipe on my website, sprainingflour.com, and I'll leave the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. And now, let's get baking. I'm starting off with using a food processor for this recipe. Now, I think a food processor is the easiest way to make these. I haven't tried making them by hand. I'm sure that it will work, but we are going to be using dates, and those really, really need to be processed finely. So use a food processor or even a blender will probably work as well. But this is your best bet, and so easy. Okay, so into this food processor, I'm gonna start with adding some almond flour, baking soda, and salt. And then just blend this all up. Next, I'm going to add the dates. So I just have about 7 dates here. They're pitted, you don't want to add any pits into this mixture. And I soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes just so that they're really soft and they'll blend up quite easily. Next, I'm going to add some coconut oil. This is unrefined cold pressed coconut oil, but of course you can use any kind that you like or that you have. And I'm going to add this in and blend it up with about 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Now I'm going to dump the dough mixture into a bowl and mix in the chocolate chips and walnuts. I'm going to divide the dough into 2 and form each of the doughs into a log. They should be about 3 inches in width and 9 inches in length. I am so excited to eat these soon. I just have to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 13 minutes. Then I'm going to take the pan out of the oven, cut each of the cookie logs into 8 sticks, bake them again for 10 minutes, then let them cool completely, so that means about 30 minutes to an hour, and then they are ready to enjoy. So I'm gonna go bake these and I will show you what they look like when they are completely ready. Look what I've got here. The delicious chocolate chip walnut cookie sticks are all ready, and I am so excited to eat one because, oh my God, yum. I've been thinking about these like literally all day. If you're gonna try any new recipes for Passover this year, make sure this is one of them because they are really to die for. Like, I'm obsessed, and I can't even eat more today because I have to do the photo shoot tomorrow morning. So I'm just so excited to eat more of these. And also, if you want to get the recipe, head to my website, sprainingflour.com. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Just click on it, head on there. And don't forget, if you make this recipe, be sure to post a picture on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter and tag me at It's Raining Flour because I love seeing when you make my recipes. It literally just makes my day. It's the best feeling ever. So be sure to share them with me. And thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you'll see all my new videos every single week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.